Oh, come on. What the... Why is this so hard for me? Not the texting, I mean the game. What? I'm gonna need to go get a couple more things of bolts. And I know where I'm gonna get it from. Let's go back to Arcadia real quick. We're gonna go back to Arcadia. Give what's his name the trophy. Remember what's his name? What's his name was amazing. And maybe pick up a few crates along the way. Nope, that's not a crate. That's a shark though. No, it's not awesome. Remember what's his name? He was amazing.
Fantastic! You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I've got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
Do you have people?
The sonic summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance,
That is
sand
not
mice
how
are
the
very
game looks.
effective and aggressive hunters. Simply equip the sonic summoner when you are near a sand mouse house, and a mouse will emerge to greet you. If the mouse likes you, it may offer a bit of high-caliber tactical assistance.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. You want to come up here with me? Up and over. Oh yeah, this is where a gold bolt is. Gold bolt acquired. There we go. The fun way to get down. I like it how it just goes down into the pit with me. Alright, hate to leave you, but see ya. Alright, let's head back to Pokataru. Here we go. I don't care about you.
I've got it.
I'll have you fixed up faster than a horny toad a hopping. Well, there you are, little buddy. Better than new.
That's right, I am the man.
Yeah, not bad.
The thruster pack. I love the thruster pack. Get out of here. There we go. There we go.
Press the square button to fire the machine.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry. No one likes the UFOs. Gadgetron. No. Gadgetron. No one likes you. No. What? What are you gonna do about it? You can barely see the health meter in this. No. Yeah. Mission completion.
Well, I guess that should do it. Here you go.
It's about time.
But yeah, we have the we have that. I don't know why I jumped in the water. Okay, this was just boring. Do 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 do. No one likes you. No one likes you. That's why I punched you in the face. No one likes you or you or you. Because you just killed me. Yeah, I like this much better. guess I could have done this before. Hello, amoeboids, or whatever you're called. Die. Alright. Alright, so trespasser. There we go. Now what do you want, Bryce? Hey, can we talk? Hey, can we talk later? Alright, sorry. Alright, here we go. I'm just getting random text messages. No, I'm not this popular. Don't tell me. Fudge. Hey. No, I did not mean to go underwater. Alright, up, up, and hey, going underwater. I guess I could have done this without the O2 mask. No! Wait, what the? That was odd. Holy crap! Oh my god! Holy crap! Just pound through enemies. Son of a bitch. Alright. I know a good replacement. This is not the vacation I was hoping for. Barbecue. Die. Alright. Up, up, and away! Or not! The day that I'm recording this is Easter. How's your Easter been? Leave in the comments. Okay, that is a really useful move if you want to get to places far and wide. I'm getting better. Oh, well then. That didn't help. I know there's crates down there. I don't want to deal with them right now. I only have like 2 health. I guess it wouldn't hurt to blow one of them up. Sorry. Would you go down? There we go. Jesus. No. Take this. A little war in the sewers. These are exploding one by one. Oh, whoa, he exploded. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, so that goes there. There we go. I did it! For once in my life, I did it!
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm searching for a very elusive and secret substance.
Raritanium?
Maybe.
The oceans on this planet are said to be an excellent source of that element.
Well, not anymore. All that toxic dumping has obscured any trace of it. You will find raritanium for me.
No, I will not.
Piece of junk. My latest invention, the Persuader. I intended to use it to control minds, but, well, the only thing it's gotten me so far is a discount from Gadgetron vendors.
Hey, I could use that.
Well, I'll trade it for some raritanium.
I believe planet Hoven is a source of that element.
Oh, jeez.
Our long-range sensors do not detect raritanium on this planet. Our database indicates that the presence is on planet Hoven.
Planet Hoven? Great. I know I need raritanium. No. Really? What do you... Alright, it's called raritanium. What do you think?
Nope. It's pretty easy to find.
Where do I go now? I think I go to Orkson because I have the O2 math. Explorer's Ratchet. I might just end off the episode right there when I get to Orkson because I am tired and people are wanting to talk to me and I keep blowing them off because I want to finish this episode. Jace? Shut it. And we'll continue with that later. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this commentary, you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Shut up! Do what you guys do on that YouTube. Also follow me on Twitter at OperationGamer1. I don't know what Jace is laughing about. But just shut up! Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.